Hey guys, welcome to a new series. This is a 2004 Dodge Durango. You've probably seen it in the background in some of our older videos. This is my family's older car, and it's been sitting for about a year. We've run it from time to time, but it's not good. So I'm gonna do my best to make it as nice as I can. Starting, there's some dents and stuff that I gotta pull out. The whole interior has to come out because it's moldy and smells really bad. So I'm just gonna pull everything out of here, and then finally I'm either going to rebuild or replace this engine. Not really sure which yet. Braden is not here with me today, or at least for the next few parts of this series, due to social distancing. There's been another spike in COVID. So just for a while, I will be the only one working on this vehicle. Okay, so we got to start with getting the vehicle to the middle of the driveway so I can open all four doors to get to the seats, carpet, all the interior. So this morning's battery was dead, so I put the battery on a charger. It's been on there for a few hours now, and I hope that's enough to get this car to at least start. I really don't even know if it's going to move it, just because the engine's in a poor running state, but I guess we'll find out. Alright, I got the battery loosely on there. It's not tightened up, so let's go ahead and see if it's going to start. Some lights are on, that's a good sign. Okay. Yeah. We got this problem. Yeah. Hesitation, smoke, it overheats. I'm pretty sure it's head gasket, but it could be more than that. I guess I should put the hood down. Yeah, as you can see, the neighbors are gonna love me. Alright guys, I got the car moved over. Pretty sketchy, but it's done. It smoked a lot. Hopefully we don't get any kind of trouble for that. But let's go ahead and start seeing if we can get all the trash out first, throw it all away, and then let's get to removing the interior. So I got everything out of the car. Most of it is old engine parts, floor mats, beaded covers, jacking points, and then you got your miscellaneous items. Found a lot of tools, so that's cool. Always can have more tools. The inside of the car doesn't look much better, but it looks a little cleaner, to say the least. Still smells, obviously, but I gotten everything out of it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now to make it easier and less painful to pull everything out is I think I'm going to go ahead and just vacuum it. So I'm going to start with that. I didn't vacuum everything perfectly, just enough to where I could see what I'm doing. I'm now going to move on to getting all the seats out, starting with the front. the driver's seat is out. I'm now going to take the passenger seat out. I'm not going to film it because it's the same process and it would just make the video too long. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, both front seats are out. And this is what it looks like. Now I got to get this center console out and hopefully that'll open everything up and see where we can go from there. Alright, the center console is out. It looks like this car, luckily, you don't have to remove the dash to pull the carpet, which makes me so happy. The Miata, as you guys know, in the 1990 Miata we're doing, we actually had to like pull the entire dash out to get that carpet out. But as you can see, this flat just ends right here. So now I just got to get these seats over here out, and probably these little trim pieces right here are holding it down. And once I do that, I mean, it should just come right out. Alright, this panel's about to come off. I think it just pulls back. Yeah, let's see. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Okay, now that I got everything off this side, here's what it looks like. You see the carpet runs to the edge and then goes up that. Now I'm going to repeat the process on the other side, but I'm not going to bother filming it to keep the length of the video shorter. Okay guys, this is where we're at. I've started pulling the carpet up to the front on both sides. So now I'm going to have to remove the rear seats and everything back there so I can get the entire floor, the carpet up and underneath cleaned. So let's get to it. Okay, to remove the rear seat, there's a bolt right here, here, and then two over here. And then I believe it's a bar that goes all the way across from what I can see. So we probably lift this one to all the way up. Yep, and then you got two right there, and then that should be it. Getting this section out though might be difficult. I guess we'll see. Okay, the rear seat is out. The whole floor is now open. Unfortunately, it has gotten dark, so I'm going to end the video here, and I will see you guys in part 2.